Hi guys, good evening. Welcome to the class. This is your The Hindu show, and sorry for today because of the net issue. Class सुबह नहीं हो पाया था, but 5 p.m. this is the timing for the Hindu class. All right, share the session with everyone. It's a recorded class, and in the recording class there will be no problem. Okay, the last two classes you were discussing you are not able to watch properly. Hence, I am trying to solve the issue. All right, first September onwards, everything will be all right. Okay, so let's move on to the important information. This is very important for all of you. Free mentorship program 1800-313-4483. Call our experts. They will help you regarding everything. Yes, you can call us 24 hours anytime. Guidely Express video course. It's very popular right now. Everybody is going for it. So it's for your practice. Go for it. And we have started IPS POS 2020 prelims and mains separate classes. Batch started from 25th August. I already started, go for it. And if you want test series, the offer is going on 305. You can go for the test series. If you are watching this video very first time, I have a message for you. Subscribe to the channel. Yes, now. So basically, let me tell you क्या होने वाला है. We have 6 paragraphs, all right, and 6 different type of questions based on these paragraphs. And then once these paragraphs are over, then we have KBC quiz, just like always. In that we have 7 questions. Okay, so this is your reading comprehension class. This is your English mock test class. All right. So it's a recorded class. I'll be very quick. And now paragraph is there. Now stop the video and answer. Okay, and then play the video for the explanation. That is how it will work. Okay, so in less time we will cover everything. All right, and do let me know in the comment section your experience. Do not worry, this is temporary. First September onwards, everything will be all right. So find grammatical errors in the paragraph if any. Okay, so grammar error हमें पता करना है. So stop the video and now play. The United Nations Counter-Terrorism Chief Statement. Listen, statement is noun, all right. Chief is also noun. So actually we need an apostrophe to connect these two nouns. All right. And to show possessiveness, the ownership. So this should be chief's statement. Statement किसको दिया है? To the Security Council on the continuing present of. देखो, present नहीं होता, continuing presence होना चाहिए था. Correct word is presence. All right. So this is wrong and this is wrong. Presence of Islamic State. 2 errors. Terrorist in West Asia, Africa and elsewhere. Should be होना चाहिए था seen. B3 should be plus B3 should be seen as serious warnings. Listen, यहाँ पे article A लिखा हुआ है, इधर यहाँ पे लिखा हुआ है warnings. Now I need to verify by reading the sentence completely कि are we talking about multiple warnings or are we talking about single warning? Let's find out. Should be a serious warning by the countries in these regions. All right. So ये जो statement गया हुआ है, this is a serious warning. We are talking about a single statement, a single warning. Hence, warning is incorrect. It should be singular. It should be seen. All right. It should be presence. It should be apostrophe. 1, 2, 3, 4 errors. By the countries in these regions, these plural regions, areas, plural. Correct. 2 years after. 2 years. Okay, plural. After the Sunni jihadist group were declared. Sunni jihadist group. We are talking about a group collective noun, singular. Hence, this should be was declared defeated. More than 10,000 IS fighter remains. 10,000 IS fighter is plural. Did you notice? क्या है ये? Plural. Hence, we want plural verb. So this is wrong. Remains. This should be REMAI and remain active. In Iraq and Syria, said Vladimir Boranko. Now there is one more error. This 10,000 is also wrong. This 10,000, that is how it should be. We need a comma. So we need to pay attention to the comma as well. Normally punctuation is not asked, but you should know everything. So 10,000. So A1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Total 7 errors मिला. Leave a comment in the video कि in first para you got 7 errors, 100% error. All right, or maybe less error. So what is the meaning of the word counterterrorism? The political or military activity designed to prevent or thwart terrorism. Terrorism को हटाने के लिए हम जो activities करते हैं, we call them counterterrorism. He specialized in counterterrorism, hostage rescue. All right. Paragraph number 2. IS-driven terror attacks are on the rise. Okay, so correct. Choose the correct alternative to replace the highlight phrase. Now, stop the video. Okay, get your answer and then play the video. Okay. This is phrase replacement, and check if you can find any grammar error here and if you can rule out any option. Okay. Elimination is very important. I'll give you some time. Okay, I'm sure you are using vertical reading approach. Vertical reading. What does that mean? See, besides. So this is wrong. Besides means apart from, extra, moreover. Hence be ruled out. Two countries, plural, correct. These. Where, okay. Has, had, have. Three different things. Has, have, or had. If it is a past story, then go for B and C. And if it is not a past story, then go for has or have. If it is singular, go has. If it is plural, go have. But interesting thing, if it is a past story, so B got our answers. How? Because B ruled out because of beside, or C might be correct answer. Ready? All right. So IS-driven terror attacks are on the rise. Okay. Besides these two countries, where IS being established. All right. Actually, it should be had established because ये पहले से ही established हो गया है. Earlier, already established. Hence, C is correct answer. So how to verify the tense of a paragraph of a sentence? Look here and look. Talk to other verbs. Have a look at the other verbs. All right. This is correct answer. C is correct answer. The IS-driven terrorists are on the rise. Okay. Besides these two countries where the IS had started the protest state, 2014 destroyed by multilateral war effort that lasted 4 years. The terror outfit has a province in West Africa with nearly 3,000 fighters, according to the UN, in a war-torn Afghanistan. It continues to stage attacks targeting ethnic and religious minorities. So pay attention to the story, what is happening. All right. Next, on the rise, increasing, ascending in power, ascending or descending down, ascending, increasing, we know that, right? Okay. Province, a principal administrative division of a country, एक area, all right. Chengdu, capital of Sichuan province. Territory, region, state, department, area, district, we call it province. Now, third paragraph. You know the third paragraph, it's a jumbled paragraph. So we have a sentence part of sentences jumbled. Make correct order, make a meaningful paragraph. So A, B, C, D, E. We have 5 sentences. So you know how to solve. First we eliminate the sentence, then we find the opening sentence. Okay, now solve it and take your time. You can stop the video if you want to take more time. Okay, now stop the video and I'll explain. Breakaway faction, the IS may no longer. This looks a subject, okay? Subject is a noun most of the time. All right, the IS may no longer, okay, started, who started, no idea. Potent terrorist group should be lesson. They lost, territories, who lost? Okay, so article, sorry, pronoun they, started, breakaway, factions, incomplete information, ruled out. So I'm damn sure that the B part is totally opening part. The IS may no longer control any big city, but it's a rise from a what article? We want noun from a breakaway faction. Divided faction of Al Qaeda in Iraq to one of the world's most what? पोटेंट टेररिस्ट ग्रुप्स. ओके, वन ऑफ लिखा हुआ है तो वी वांट प्लूरल एज वेल. सो एक्चुअली B followed by A then followed by D. Potent means powerful. One of the world's most powerful terrorist groups should be a lesson for all stakeholders. Ever since, all right, ever since what? They lost territory. जब से उन्होंने territories खोया हुआ है, IS fighter withdrew from the front lines and started operating. Withdrew and started. और यहाँ पे end लिखा हुआ है. Past simple and past simple. See, there is always a hint. Let me explain. Right. So this or this is hint. Past. IS fighter withdrew and started. This is the hint. World's most powerful terrorist group. This is the hint. All right. But it's arise from a breakaway faction. This is the hint. All right. So BADE is correct answer. What is breakaway? Now, and a succession of a number of people जब अलग हो जाते हैं, removed, all right, exclusion from an organization, separatist, अलगाववादी, secessionist, अलग अलग होने वाली, splinter, rebel, renegade, one who leaves his country, his religion or the organization जो उसे छोड़ देता है, dissenting, disagreement groups, okay, दूर होने वाली, potent, having great power, influence, effect, powerful, strong, vigorous, mighty, formidable, influential. Okay, hinterlands, very important word, एग्जाम में आता है. रिमोट एरियाज ऑफ ए कंट्री. ओके, ये हमारा इंडिया है, तो इसके जो दूर वाले जो ये गांव्स होते हैं, एरियाज होते हैं, वी कॉल देम हिंटर. रिमोट एरियाज, दूर, डिस्टेंस. कॉन्फ्लिक्ट रिडन, इफ समथिंग इज कॉन्फ्लिक्ट रिडन दैट मीन्स वहाँ पे बहुत ज़्यादा वॉर चल रहा है, सिविल वॉर, स्पेशली डोमिनेटेड और प्लेग्ड बाय द कॉन्फ्लिक्ट्स. Paragraph number 4. Paragraph number 4. Go for it. New guys, make sure you watch the previous session as well. This is the only temporary arrangement because internet issue. The live class is hampering, hence I'm recording and uploading. Uploading might happen in 2 or 3 hours. This video will be uploaded. Okay, so no big deal. So this is our temporary arrangement. And in the last 4 or 5 months on this channel, please watch. There are so many videos and live videos. You will love it. All right. Iraq and Syria are particularly to the, as these countries are yet to be fully, all right. So there are 3 blanks actually. First blank, second blank and third blank. Go for it. I'll give you 1 minute. Or you can stop the video. Iraq and Syria are particularly. Iraq and Syria में क्या है ऐसा? To the IS. Okay, this is the terrorist organization. So they are resilient. They can be comfortable, flexible. No, threatened, vulnerable. Vulnerable होता है easily affected. Easily affected. Why? Okay, to the, all right, vulnerable to the IS. Or IS word resurgence. Resurgence means to become active all over again, or the military activity. All right. So this goes here, resurgence goes here. All right. As these countries are yet to be fully stabilized after the wars. After war एक stabilization होता है, तो अभी पूरी तरीके से नहीं हुई, इसलिए वहाँ पर कभी भी एक्टिव हो सकता है. In Syria, Bashar al-Assad's government has particularly won the civil war, but Syria is now a divided country. While the government controls most of the territories, a coalition of jihadists and rebels running the Idlib province in the northeast and the Kurdish rebels have declared autonomy. So C is correct answer. Next, vulnerable. Vulnerable means exposed to the possibility of being attacked. Easily attack हो सकता है because something is weak. Vulnerable. All right. Accessible, defenseless, exposed, liable. Resurgence, an increase or revival after a period of time. Any criminal activity or any kind of activity when it becomes prominent all over again, फिर से active हो जाती है, we call it resurgence. Coalition, temporary alliance. जब दो पार्टीज के बीच में टेम्पररी अलायंस होता है, कमिंग टुगेदर. Okay. Now we have paragraph number 5. Find grammatical errors in the above paragraph, if any. Take your time. If you think there is a grammar error, check it. Now stop the video, answer everything, scan everything, subject, verb, noun, pronoun, adjective, everything, prepositions, special role, spelling especially. Once you are done, then play the video. Okay, I hope आपने error find कर लिया होगा. Now, और जरूर बताना कि in fifth paragraph, how many error did you find? On the Syrian-Turkish border, Turkey, okay, Syrian-Turkish border, Turkey, backed by pro-Turkish rebels, Turkey has carved out, created a buffer and has been in the permanent conflict with the Kurds. Means उसका fight चलता रहा है कुर्द्स के साथ में. Though there is an uneasy quiet in Syria, सीरिया में एक अजीब सी शांति है, uncomfortable silence. The situation is inflammable. Situation कभी भी भड़क सकती है. Okay. Iraq, after months of protest and instability, has finally got a government. But Prime Minister Mustafa al-Kadhimi is torn between US and Iran. US and Iran. Two different thoughts and he's torn. He's caught up between two ideas. Pro-Iran Shia militias continue to target US troops. Military guys target US troops inside Iraq, which could turn the country into a battlefield between Washington and Tehran. The story is not very different in Africa. Alright. So all is not well. There is still fights going on. Vulnerability is there. So guys, no error in this paragraph. Alright. Have got someone's back means someone who is ready to help you and you can depend on somebody else. To be willing or prepared to be help or defend someone. To look out for someone in the case they need assistance. I got your back means I can help you, you can help me, like that. Don't worry about these thugs. ये जो गुंडेबाजी, buddy, I have got your back if they ever come bother you again. If they trouble you, I will beat the shit out of them. Alright. Carve out. To establish a niche or role for oneself. खुद के लिए कुछ create कर लेना. Alright. It took a long time and many small acting parts before I was able to carve out a career as a character actor. Turn into someone, to change or transform. Inflammable, easily set on fire. Inflammable, combustible, incendiary. ये एग्जाम में बहुत पूछा जाता है. Incendiary, a speech. Okay, a public clothing, the way we eat, the way we talk, behave or live, or anything that we do something that incites other and create violence. Incendiary. Paragraph number 6. Then we are going to solve KBC quiz. The story about the Iraq, Syria, Iran, US involvement and Africa. Okay, or IS group. Alright. Terrorist group. Pay attention to the story. Alright. Okay, I'm sure you can see the options now. Stop the video and try to find the answer. Paragraph completion. Very interesting questions. Check flow of information. Libya has two governments which were fighting each other till last week's ceasefire. Ceasefire means stop fighting. Okay, stopping of war. The Libyan conflict has spilled over, फैल गया into Mali and Burkina Faso. Jihadists have established a solid presence. Chaos breeds militancy. Chaos की वजह से militancy आ जाती है. And as the main group here is the IS. और यहाँ पे main group कौन है? IS है. तो what is going to happen? It would eliminate the ethnic tensions. Okay. Okay, देखो, if IS is a terrorist organization, it will never eliminate the ethnic tension. It will actually increase. It would remain active as long as these countries remain unstable. Yes. If a group is a negative group, so this can never do the positive thing. Hence, A ruled out. B is a negative phenomena. Hence, B is correct answer. Rehabilitate. Okay, no, they will never help anybody because they are terrorist organizations. They are supposed to kill people, not help. Now, spread its influence across the region to attract fighters who oppose the recent peace. Now, it would remain active as long as these countries remain stable. If these countries are unstable, government and everything, so they will continue to be active. B is the correct answer. So, we can easily solve question on the basis of tone, negative or positive. Always pay attention to the tone. The IS has its root in the US invasion of Iraq. It started growing by exploiting the civil war in Syria, the regional government as well as their international backers. So we be mindful of this fact. If they fail to address the regional fault lines and continue to fight each other, the jihadists could emerge winners once again. Alright, B is correct answer. Spill over into means to go beyond the borders, parameter of something into something else. फैल जाना. Ceasefire is a noun, a temporary suspension of fight. A truce. Truce is very important word. Armistice एग्जाम में आता है ये. Alright, truce भी एग्जाम में आता है. एग्जाम वाला word है. Pay attention guys, very important. Ceasefire, armistice and truce. Okay, stop fighting, stop the war. Okay guys, so read these paragraphs for quick revision. Okay, and then we are going to play the greatest quiz, that is KBC quiz. Ready guys? First question on the screen. Take your time. Check out this story. Is it about Syria? Is it about Iraq, US? Is it about IS? Alright, or ceasefire? Is it about Islamic State, IS? Always check focus. Okay, I got my answer while checking this one. What about you? Take your time, stop the video, get your answer. Okay, conflict in Syria, coalition jihadist and rebels. If अगर आप okay, this is not about Syria, Iraq or Iran. This is about Islamic State. If you remember, IS के बारे में स्टोरी लिखी गई है. So ruled out or ruled out because of country name. These are country names, sorry. Now I'm talking about D and E. D and E are close options. IS fighters withdrew. ये IS के fighters की बात हो रही है. Means वहाँ के soldiers की बात हो रही है, people की बात हो रही है जो fight करते हैं, terrorist की बात हो रही है. Withdrew last week ceasefire. Alright. लेकिन talk about this one. Down, but not out on Islamic State. Islamic State down हो गया है लेकिन out नहीं हुआ है. So this is okay, ज़्यादा broad information है. This is more broad information about IS, Islamic State. This is about fighters. Alright, and ceasefire. No, this is better. E is better option. E is your answer. D क्या है? Weak option था. अगर E नहीं होता तो फिर D correct answer हो जाता. Okay, don't forget to mention your score, 7 out of 7. What is your score out of 7 in the comment section? All right, everyone. जितना भी लोग ये वीडियो देखने वाला है. All right. All right, take your time. I hope you got the correct answer. Let's see. Now match your responses. Which of the following best sum up the given article? Summary means having all important elements. Okay, balanced information. If political parties fail to address the regional fault lines and continue to fight each other, jihadists might also fail to operate. This is very generic information. If political parties अगर नहीं काम कर पाएंगे तो okay, terrorists might okay fail to cooperate. They might okay increase in number. They might be dangerous if political party is not able to stop them. This is very generic information. Sorry, pulled out. Due to the Libyan conflict spilled over in Mali and Portugal, and jihadists have established a solid presence. This is just one fact, okay, not the summary. Summary should have more words. Political instability in parts of West Asia. Yes, political instability, okay, West Asia. This is to the point. and North Africa is allowing the IS. Wonderful. First keyword, second keyword, third keyword, and fourth keyword. There are so many keywords and keyword, and especially we have the IS. So C looks answer. A or B now. Now D. Jihadis continue to target US troops, which could turn the country into a battlefield between the US and Tehran. Alright, jihadis continue to target US, but actually jihadis तो है, but jihadis कौन से वाले हैं? Indian IS वाले होने चाहिए थे. The focus is on IS. Sorry, correct. Sorry. Pro-Iran Shia militia should stop. Sorry. See, very easy. If you notice, IS सिर्फ एक जगह लिखा हुआ है properly. Alright, so that is the hint. If you know your keyword, everything is possible. I hope you are convinced. C is correct answer. Next question. Check your score. Now stop the video. Let's play with the options. What can be inferred from the statement? United Nations Counterterrorism Chief's statement to the Security Council (SC) on the continuing presence of Islamic State terrorists in West Asia, Africa and elsewhere should be seen as a serious warning by the countries in these regions. Alright, what can be inferred? The chief of Islamic State has warned that they would continue to present, means these guys will continue to present West Africa. No, this is not about chief. Acha, wait. The chief of Islamic State, okay, has warned. The United Nations Counter Chief statement. तो वार्निंग इन्होंने दी है, वार्निंग इस्लामिक ने नहीं दी है. सॉरी. ऑलराइट, चलिए. दिस स्टेटमेंट इज द वार्निंग. ओके, द IS स्टेटमेंट इज नॉट द वार्निंग. यूनाइटेड नेशन काउंटर टेररिज्म चीफ स्टेटमेंट इज वार्निंग. इंफॉर्मेशन misleading. Sorry. The United Nations Counterterrorism has issued a statement warning that Islamic State terrorists in Africa. Okay, what does that mean? United Nations Counterterrorism has issued what? A statement warning the Islamic State terrorists in West Asia, Africa and elsewhere. Okay. Okay. अब इन्होंने statement किसको दिया है? Security Council को दिया है. And that's why looks okay uncomfortable. All right, West Asia, Africa and elsewhere. Okay. I'll verify this one. Okay, I'll move. United Nations Counterterrorism has issued a statement which said the countries in the West Asia have warned of countries now about the presence. गलत हो गया. देखो, we need to go for this one. United. Whenever in doubt, go back to your original paragraph. Chief statement to the Security Council. Chief Council on the country presence of Islamic State in West Asia, Africa, elsewhere should be seen as a warning by the countries in these regions. Warning किसकी है? By the countries. और यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है? The countries in West Asia, okay, have warned. Incorrect information. This is also incorrect. Or this is also incorrect. The countries in the West Asia should consider the matter of presence of terrorists in these nations. Yes, this makes sense. So this is correct answer. Only 4 is correct answer. ये सब यहाँ पे mismatch हो गया. Actually क्या है कि United Nations Chief, okay, statement to the Security Council, and these countries should consider this as warning. All right, the countries West Africa, West Asia, Africa, elsewhere should consider the matter of presence of terrorists in these regions as a serious warning. और ये वार्निंग किसने दिया है? यूनाइटेड नेशंस ने दिया है. और स्टेटमेंट किसको दिया था? सिक्योरिटी काउंसिल को. So B is correct answer. Only 4. This is incorrect. Distortion. 4 is correct answer. Now check your score. We have question number 4. What can be listed from the statement? 2 years after the Sunni jihadist group was declared defeated, more than 10,000 IS fighters remain active in Iraq and Syria. And Vladimir Bokmo, okay, said Vladimir Boronkov. Beside these two countries where the IS had established a pro-state in 2014, destroyed by multilateral war efforts that lasted for years, the terror outfit has a province in West Africa with nearly 3,000 fighters according to the United Nations. Interesting. Alright. In Iraq and Syria, IS had established a post-state correct, which was destroyed by multi. Okay, correct. So A is correct, exactly written here. According to United Nations, US fighter remains active in West Asia other than Iraq-Iran. I need to verify this one. West Asia. Remain active in Iraq and yes. Alright. Iraq, Asia. West Africa other than Iraq and Syria. Besides these two countries where IS had been protected, okay. Alright. West Africa. Yeah, this is also correct. A and B both are correct. According to Iraq and Syria were destroyed by multilateral war efforts that lasted 4 years. Iraq and Syria were destroyed according to the United Nations. Let's verify. Alright. Why? Okay, destroyed. Where the IS okay destroyed हुआ था, ये destroyed नहीं हुए थे. C is wrong. D is correct answer. Question number 5. With respect to the statement, on the Syrian-Turkish border, Turkey backed by the pro-Turkish rebels has been in permanent conflict with the Kurds. तो टर्की किससे फाइट कर रहा है, कर्ज के साथ फाइट कर रहा है. तो देयर इज एन इजी क्वाइट इन सीरिया. एरिया में एक अनकंफर्ट साइलेंस है. द सिचुएशन इनफर्म, सिचुएशन कभी भड़क सकती है. ऑलराइट, तो विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज करेक्ट? The situation in Syria is unstable, though it seems like there is a settled state of affairs and social and political life. Yes, it looks like everything is okay, but it's not actually. This looks good. On the Syrian-Turkish border, Turkey has been in conflict with pro-Turkish rebels. No. टर्की किसके साथ में फाइट कर रहा है? कुर्द के साथ में कर रहा है. Alright. But who are permanent conflict with the Kurds? No. तो this information distortion हो गया है. ये तो गया. Alright. अब C को वेरीफाई करते हैं. On Syrian-Turkish border, Turkey has been in permanent conflict with the Kurds. यहाँ ठीक है. Kurds who are being defended by the pro-Turkish. ओके, टर्की को सपोर्ट कर रहे हैं ये लोग. ऑलराइट, और कुर्द को ये सपोर्ट कर रहे हैं. नाउ सो बी एंड सी इज प्योरली डिस्टॉर्शन. सॉरी, रूल्ड आउट. ए इज करेक्ट आंसर. सो आपका अभी तक 5 out of 5 किसी का स्कोर चल रहा है. एनीवन? आई थिंक टुडे इज अ बिट डिफिकल्ट इन द कंपैरिजन ऑफ अदर सेशंस ऑफ द रीसेंट सेशंस. Paragraph number 6. What can be concluded from the statement? Libya has two governments which were fighting each other till last week's ceasefire. The Libyan conflict has spilled over into Mali and Burkina Faso, where jihadists have established a solid presence. Chaos breeds militancy. As the main group here is the IS, it would remain active as long as these countries remain stable. Okay, what can be concluded? So we need to look for the matching idea to this paragraph, to this sentence. So that is the basic requirement. All right. The political parties failed to address regional fault lines, continue to fight with each other. Jihadists would remain active, established. Yeah, correct. वो फाइट कर रहे हैं इसलिए वो एक्टिव हैं. करेक्ट. लास्ट वीक देयर टुक प्लेस एग्रीमेंट द टू गवर्नमेंट्स ऑफ लीजिया टू स्टॉप फाइटिंग फॉर सर्टेन पीरियड ऑफ टाइम. ऑलराइट. और उन्होंने एक सीज फायर किया कि दे विल नॉट फाइट टू गवर्नमेंट्स. दिस इज ऑल्सो करेक्ट. द ग्रोइंग कॉन्फ्लिक्ट इन द लीबिया हैज स्प्रेड बियॉन्ड द बॉर्डर्स. लीबिया हैज स्प्रेड बियॉन्ड द बॉर्डर्स. ओके, वो माली यहाँ पे पहुँच गए. ऑल ऑफ द एबव इज करेक्ट आंसर. ओके, लास्ट क्वेश्चन ऑफ दिस class. What is the tone of the given passage? Speculative, euphemistic, introspective, condescending, confident. Of course, E correct answer है. I don't have to give you enough time because it's very easy. So guys, 7 out of 7 में कितने लोगों ने किया है? Okay, this is a recorded session, and I don't want कि आप ये miss करें. That's why I recorded the session for all of you guys, and you can watch it at 5 p.m. And 1st September onwards, all my paid classes and all my YouTube classes will be regular in a proper manner. Okay, till then, keep watching and all the best. Leave your comment. Don't forget to like the session, share with everyone. All the best.